Hello, my dear students. How are you? I miss all of you so much. I can't wait to see you again, inshallah, in classes soon. In this video, we are going to make a revision in some of our interesting topics, which are 2D shapes, 3D shapes, fractions, and money. Okay, now let's start with 2D and 3D shapes. Now we will make a comparison between 2D and 3D shapes so we can remember them easily. First, 2D shapes, they are flat shapes. Flat shapes. We can put anything inside them. 3D shapes, they are not flat shapes, they are solids. They are solids. We can put anything inside them, like our pencil case. 2D shapes with two dimensions, length and width. But 3D shapes with three dimensions, length, width, and height. 2D shapes, they have two parts. And the 3D shapes, they have three parts, three. 2D shapes have two parts, they are side. What's meant by side? Side is a line segment. As we seen here at this triangle, we have side and another side and another side. And the other part is vertex. Vertex is the corner where two sides meet. It's the corner where two sides meet. Here at the 3D shapes, we have three parts, which are face. The face is a flat surface. And edge, a line where faces meet. The edge is a line where faces meet. And we have vertex, a corner where edges meet. Now, before we move on to another point, let's review them quickly. 2D shapes, they are flat shapes with two dimensions, length and width, two parts, side and vertex. 3D shapes, they are not flat with three dimensions and they have three parts, face, edge, vertex. Now let's have some examples for 2D shapes. We have square, triangle, circle, and rectangle. Again, examples for 2D shapes, square, circle, triangle, rectangle. And also here we have some examples for 3D shapes. Rectangular prism, cuboid. Rectangular prism, its name also is cuboid. And cube, cone, sphere, square-based pyramid. Now let's know more information about 2D shapes examples. Here we have square. We want to know the number of sides. What's meant by side? The side is a line segment. So here we have how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. And how many vertices? The vertex is a corner where sides meet. So here we have 4 vertices. Then we have circle. How many sides? We said that the side is a line segment, but here there is no line segment, so 0 sides and also 0 vertices. Then we have triangle. How many sides? 3 sides. And how many vertices? 3 vertices. And the last shape is rectangle. How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. And how many vertices? Also 4 vertices. We can see that square and rectangle are similar, 4 sides and 4 vertices. So what's the difference between them? The difference that the square has 4 equal sides. 4 equal sides. But the rectangle, its 2 opposite sides are equal. Its 2 opposite sides are equal. Now let's know more information about 3D shapes examples. Here we have rectangular prism. Rectangular prism. And also its name is cuboid. Cuboid. How many faces? 6 faces. And how many vertices? 8 vertices. And how many edges? The edges is a line where faces meet. A line where faces meet. So 12 edges. Then we have cube. How many faces? They are 6 faces. And how many vertices? 8 vertices. And also 12 edges. Then we have cone. Cone. The cone has one circular base. One circular base. Because its base is in shape of circle. Like the cube, each face is in shape of square. Now let's complete with the cone. How many vertices? We have only one circular base, so we have one vertex. One vertex. And what about edges? 0 edge. 0 edge. Then we have sphere. Sphere. The sphere has 0 faces, 0 vertices, and 0 edges. We can call it Mr. Zero. Then we have square-based pyramid. Square-based pyramid. How many faces? It has 4 faces. And how many vertices? 5 vertices. And 8 edges. And the last one is cylinder. Cylinder. The cylinder has 2 circular bases. 2 circular bases. How many vertices? 0 vertex. 0 vertex. And how many edges? Also 0 edges. 0 edges. Now let's solve these puzzles. Choose from these: rectangle, circle, square, triangle. I have 3 sides and 3 vertices. I am a flat shape. What shape am I? It's a flat, so it's 2D shape, 3 sides and 3 vertices. Which one? I am triangle. Excellent. The next one. I have 0 sides and I am round like a pizza. What shape am I? Round, 0 sides, so it's a circle. Very good. The next one. I have 4 sides and 4 vertices. All my sides are equal. What shape am I? 4 sides, 4 vertices, and all the sides are equal. Yes, I know it. It's a square. The last one. I have 4 sides and 4 vertices. 2 sides are long and the other 2 are short. What shape am I? 4 sides, 4 vertices, 2 long and 2 short. So it should be rectangle. Now let's match the 3D shapes with the similar in our real life. Here we have cube, cuboid, cone, sphere, square-based pyramid, and cylinder. And we have some pictures from our real life. The first one, cube. Which one of these are in shape of cube? I can see the Rubik cube in shape of cube. Then we have cuboid. Which picture is in shape of cuboid? I can see that the book is in shape of cuboid. It's similar. Then we have cone. Can you think with me which one is similar to the cone? Very good. This microphone is in shape of cone. Then we have Mr. Sphere. Which one of these in shape of sphere? Sphere, it looks like the earth shape. Then we have a square-based pyramid. From its name, it looks like the pyramid. Excellent. And the last one is cylinder. Here we have the cola can in shape of cylinder. Excellent, my dear students. Very good. Circle the correct answer. How many faces of a cube? Do you remember what's meant by face? The face is a flat surface. So how many faces? 6 faces. Then how many vertices of a rectangular prism? What's meant by vertex or vertices? The vertex is a corner where edges meet. So how many vertices here? They are 8 vertices. Then how many edges of a sphere? Can you remember what we called the sphere? Mr. Zero. Yes. So how many edges? 0 edges. Then how many circular bases of a cylinder? Circular bases, that means that its base in shape of circle. So how many? 2 circular bases. Drag and drop 2D or 3D shapes into correct place. Here we have 2D shapes and 3D shapes, and we want to sort the shapes into the correct place. First we have red circle. It's a circle. It has 2 dimensions, so we will put it into with the 2D shapes. The next shape is, do you know the name? Correct. It's square-based pyramid. It has 3 dimensions. 3 like what? Like 3D shapes. The next shape, it's a rectangle. It has 2 dimensions. 2 dimensions. So it's 2D shape. The next, it looks like a party hat. It looks like a party hat. Its name is what? Its name is cone. Yes, it's a cone. So it will be with the 3D shapes. Then we have a cube. The cube has 3 dimensions. So it will go with 3D shapes. The next shape is triangle. It has just 2 dimensions. 2 dimensions. So it will go with 2D shapes. The next shape, can you remember how many faces in the next shape? It has 2 circular bases. 2 circular bases. So it's the cylinder. It will go with the 3D shapes. The next one, yes, I know it. It's a rectangular prism or cuboid. It has 3 dimensions, so we will put it with the 3D shapes. The next shape, we call it Mr. Zero. It's what? It's a sphere. It has 3 dimensions. So we will put it with the 3D shapes. And then we have a 2D shape. It has 2 dimensions. It's a square. We will put it with the 2D shapes. Very good, my dear students. All of you are incredible. Now we finish our revision about 2D and 3D shapes. So let's move to another part. Now we will start our revision about fractions. Now let's start our revision about fractions. Here we have an apple. One whole apple. We want to divide it between two sisters. So we will give each one half, 1/2, or we can set 1/2. What's meant by this 1-2? Can you remember? Okay, let's remember together. 1 refers to how many parts do each one take. How many parts do each one take? In fractions, we called it numerator. And the number at the bottom, it refers to the total of parts. In fractions, also we called it denominator. Then here we have an apple, and we want to divide it into three equal parts. Each one will take 1/3, or 1/3. Then we have the apple, and we want to divide it into 4 equal parts. Each one will take 1/4, or we can call it 1/4, or 1/4, or a quarter. Let's practice more. Circle the correct fraction from the given choices. Number 1 is an example. At the numerator, we will write the number of colored parts, just the colored parts. So how many colored parts here? 1. At the denominator, we will write the total parts. So the total parts are 1, 2. So the right fraction will be 1/2. Number 2, here we have this shape. In the numerator, we will write the colored parts, the number of colored parts. So how many parts are colored here? 1, 2, 3. So 3 at the top, and at the denominator, we will write the total parts, colored and not colored. The total parts are 1, 2, 3, 4. So the right fraction will be 3/4. Number 3, at the numerator, we will write the colored parts. They are 2 parts. And at the denominator, we will write the total parts, colored and not colored. They are 4 parts. So the right fraction will be 2/4. Number 4, at the numerator, we will write, very good, the number of colored parts. They are 2. And at the denominator, we will write the total parts. They are 3. So the right fraction will be 2/3. A line to match the fractions with the right picture. The first one is 1/2, or 1/2. So 1 colored part, and the total parts are 2. Which one of these pictures? Very good, excellent. This picture. The next one, 1/4, or 1/4. 1 colored part, and the total parts are 4. Because at the numerator we will write the colored boards, and at the denominator we will write the total boards, colored and not colored. So which picture? Very good, this one. Then we have 2 over 3. 2 over 3. That means we have 2 colored boards and the total boards are 3. Which picture? Excellent. This picture. The last one, 4 over 5. 4 over 5. That means we have 4 colored boards, 4 colored boards, and the total boards are 5. Which picture? Excellent. The last one, 4 over 5. Now let's move to the last part of our revision, money revision. Now let's recognize our money. Here we have 1 pound or 1 LE. 1 pound or 1 LE. It could be as a paper or as a coin. Then we have 5 pounds or 5 LE. And then this 10 pounds or 10 LE. After that we have 20 pounds or 20 LE. And this one 50 pounds or 50 LE. And then we have 100 pounds or 100 LE. And the last one 200 pounds or 200 LE. The correct answer. Here we have 5 papers. Each one value is 1 pound. 1 pound. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pounds. So here we have 5 pounds. Which one of these refers to 5 pounds? Excellent. This one is 5 pounds. The second one, here we have 10 pounds and also 10 pounds. Let's count them. Let's skip counting by 10. 10, 20. Do you remember our song? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That's how we skip counting by 10. So 10 and after that 20. So which one of these is 20 pounds? Excellent, very good. This is 20 pounds. And after that here we have 20, 20 and 10. We can also skip counting by 20, 20 and then 40 and then we still have 10. We can count after 40, 41, 42, 43, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49 and 50. So which one of these is 50 pounds? Excellent, this one. And the last one is 1 pound in coins. Which one is 1 pound? Yes, this one is 1 pound, but in a paper. They are the same value. Now let's choose the correct answer. The first paper, we can find number 20 on it. So its value is what? Its value is 20 pounds or 20 LE. So we will choose 20. The second one, we can find on paper number 5. So its value is what? Its value is 5 pounds. So we will choose 5. The third one, we can see here number 200 on it. So its value is 200 pounds. The last one, we can find number 100 on it, so its value is 100 pounds. Thank you for your listening. I hope you enjoyed our revision. And now, let me give you an advice. The fruits are healthy. It helps to our growth. See you in the classes soon. Goodbye.